Don't forget to subscribe from our channel and give a big thumbs up. Nice.
Hey there, my little ponies. Hi guys. Welcome to Robin's world. But where is Robin? Have you guys seen her? Where's Robin?
Welcome to Robin's world. Today we're gonna cook with Pinkie Pie.
Ooh. And we're gonna play with this Play-Doh set that makes cupcakes and all kinds of sweets, just like Pinkie Pie likes. So we have this Play-Doh. We got the My Little Pony gang.
To get some.
Yeah, here's Spike.
He's holding that.
Rainbow Dash. Fluttershy. Who's this, Robin? Rarity. She's so fancy. Here is
Twilight Sparkle. The Princess of Friendship.
That's right, Pinkie Pie. And there's Pinkie Pie looking cute with her little balloon. But if she could just stand up. There she is.
And I have this cute little cutie mark with balloons. I love balloons.
And there's Applejack. We couldn't find the small Applejack, but so we have to include her in here. So there she is. And we also wanted to show you all the different versions of Pinkie Pie that we have.
That's the superhero one.
What is her name?
Her
what
name
is her name?
Still a second. But where's the peasant?
And this is the regular Pinkie Pie. Here's the color changing
Pinkie Pie with that uses the power.
You color change her tail with water. And here's the
other Pinkie Pie.
The other version of Pinkie Pie that we have.
That has glittery hair.
She did have like a crown or something, but we don't have it at the moment. And her glittery hair that's all curly.
And look at her big blue eyes.
Yep.
All of well, this one has blue eyes. This one has blue eyes. This one has
They all have blue eyes, girlfriend. They're all Pinkie Pie. All right. Are you ready? Let's
begin.
Okay, Pinkie Pie. What are you gonna make us?
Wait, I'm gonna make you cupcakes.
Ooh, cupcakes. I like cupcakes. Let's do it.
So we've made our plate. Now we just need some butter. Where's butter?
I don't know. That one should be better, I think.
It is butter.
Yep.
We just take a tiny little piece.
Okay.
Then just roll it.
Okay.
Now we just need the strawberries.
Okay, Robin has the cake part. So, what's next? Frosting?
Your frosting's next.
Okay. What frosting are we making? Pink frosting for Pinkie Pie.
Yeah, but this one's special.
Ooh, is it mixed? Ooh.
Do you like that color?
I love that color. Do you need help? Okay, get it out. Put it in the frosting
Thing.
doohickey. Thingamabobber. You need more though. Get some more.
And we just gotta close it. So it won't get dry because this is brand new Play-Doh.
It sure is. Now put some more in there. I think you need more than that though.
Yeah, but I think that's enough. Because it's getting pretty full and it's already...
Okay, let's put it on the cupcake. Let's go.
I'm just gonna round it up. Ah!
Come on, girl.
Do it. Okay. Get it out.
There's the frosting. Let me see. Okay, now we're gonna make the strawberries.
Okay. Let's make
Wait,
this.
Pinkie Pie? Aren't you supposed to be doing this?
Yeah. Let's add the. What did you say, Vlog?
The strawberries on top?
Okay, let me get the machine. Where is this? Oh, strawberry right there. Okay. Ow. No, love this strawberry, guys. Anyways, this is brand new from Christmas. Press. That looks like a good strawberry.
Ooh, put it right on top of that cupcake.
Who wants the strawberry?
I would love a strawberry cupcake, Pinkie Pie.
Here you go.
Ooh, thank you so much. Mmm, so sweet. I love it.
Is there anything that I can help for you?
Nope. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next customer is Fluttershy. Hi, Pinkie Pie. Can I have a donut?
Yes.
Oh, yay! I love donuts. Can I have a heart on top of the donut?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. I'll be waiting.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Oh, I forgot to put the butter in.
Oh, no. Put the butter in. Hurry. What are you doing?
He said to make it. So Papa Jack's in front of the door. It's waiting. He's waiting. Chocolate donut. She loves chocolate donuts.
She does?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, okay. Let's make a
I want
chocolate donut.
I think she's in there.
Why is Squirtle in the chocolate?
Were you sleeping there? Mm-hmm.
My friend there, Pinkie Pie.
You get the thing out of the way. Okay.
Smash it.
Okay.
Okay. Take it out.
It looks
Ooh,
perfect.
delicious.
What?
Ooh, put it on the plate.
Okay.
There's the donut. Take the excess off right here on the edges.
Okay. Take it off.
Take it off. Okay, now we need the heart.
And there's a heart up here.
So maybe this.
That will help.
Yeah.
Come on, open. There we go. Okay, this will probably be pretty good. Maybe.
That's pretty good. Smash, Pinkie Pie.
Okay.
Now take it out.
It made it, Mama. I made it.
Ooh, yeah.
Okay. Take the excess off. Be careful not to cut it. Boop.
And there it is. A donut with a heart.
She's
Ooh,
gonna.
a chocolate donut. Is my donut ready yet?
Yes, it is.
I present to you chocolate donut with heart. It's just for you. Thank you so much, Pinkie Pie. I love it. It's delicious. Thank you so much. good. I love coming to Pinkie Pie's bakery.
Is anything else that I can help you with?
Oh, I'll come again tomorrow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alrighty, that was an awesome video.
We can still play if you want to.
Okay, for the video's sakes, we gotta say goodbye.
Okay. Then me and Mom are just gonna play without you.
Okay. Say bye to the subscribers.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Oh yeah, and hit
Bye.
that like button and the
Like
bell
bell.
notifications. Join our family of more fun and toys. Bye.